So आज हम जा रहे हैं घूमने exotic. Yes, I am filming.
I'm not really good at.
You sit in the car. Come.
Okay. I'm not really good at these. Kanishk.
Come this way.
Okay.
अभी हम लोग आए हैं B&M store. It's a kind of generic store.
Sudhanshu, I think what they're trying to say is it's a big so you're see, I just want to pack of sneakers. Where? Oh yeah, over there. You know what I'm looking for? What?
No, you've got.
Now you can find it. Don't keep me holding on.
क्या खरीदना है हम लोगों को यहाँ से? बना लो. ये यहाँ बिस्किट्स वगैरह होते हैं. ऐसे चॉकलेट है. हाउ मच इज इट फॉर? मैकविटीज का है ये 49p. इसका मतलब इंडियन रुपीज में अराउंड 50 रुपीज का है ये. यहाँ नए बिस्किट बिस्कॉफ. So with including Belgian chocolate, and then यहाँ पे हमें कुछ क्रिस्प मिल जाएंगे, जैसे ये हैं Doritos and Palm Bear. It consists salt and vinegar. डेयरी मिल्क चॉकलेट. ये डेयरी मिल्क चॉकलेट कितने की है? ओह, इट्स 2.99. इट मीन्स 2.92. इट्स £2.99. मतलब अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 300 रुपीज. ये सही. ये क्या? आइसिंग कैडबरीज. Oh, chocolate icing it is. Okay. क्या ढूंढ रही हो तुम?
I'm looking for gloves, like
Gloves.
initials.
Oh,
Don't even think about it. Don't even try run away.
you're
Hi.
playing with Tanishi.
She's not running away.
Actually, मैं कैप ढूंढ रहा हूँ, like a warm cap.
Why don't we get some of these? And some of these.
Nice. Mm,
No, we're gonna get some of these.
what you found? Nice.
See, look how nice these are. And no.
अरे don't pull her. उसे
and
खींचो
no
मत.
pink bunnies.
क्या ले रही हो तुम लोग?
Nothing, I'm just looking. I like this one with the diamonds. It really represents me. Maybe it will shine bright like a diamond. And not shine like a diamond. No, you are not gonna. Okay. You are now a slow little snail.
हाँ? Where?
Daddy, can we go where we want to?
Where you want to go? Oh, you want to buy some crayons? You want to buy some crayons, right?
I'm over here. I'm over here.
But yesterday you were telling me, तुम कह रही थी ना कल crayon खरीदने हैं तुम्हें.
Yes, somebody.
Come, you can buy some crayons. Come. Which one you like?
I'm thinking I'll just buy one small one. Gel pens.
Gel pens? नहीं, crayons you were
Aren't they
looking
the
for.
same thing?
No, they are not the same thing.
He's looking for crayons. वाले
Yeah.
ला सकते हो Sharpie वाले.
Those are permanent. If they get on the wall, they're not coming off.
Sharpie के crayon, like seriously. £9.99 pence. £9.99 pence. One set of one pack of crayons. बहुत महंगे हैं यार ये, टू एक्सपेंसिव. बट क्वालिटी होती है इन क्रेयॉन्स में, ये तो है. दे आर वेरी गुड इन क्वालिटी. ओह, यू वांट टू बाय दीज?
Yeah.
Which one?
These.
Oh, this one. This you can take here. It looks nice. How much it is for? $2.49. Okay. Yeah, this is good. Reasonable cost, I would say. ये ठीक है, मतलब $2.49 it's okay. बट लेना क्या है तुम्हें? Tell me at least. तनिशी है, तनिशी ने तो ले लिए क्रेयॉन. तनिशी, you have taken crayon, right?
Hello, I have a purse in it. Well, how's also there?
Yes, this is nice.
Daddy, when you're done, put it back inside the book.
Come forward. Look, she's there. It was here, right? Okay. How much it is for? Okay. ये कार है तो, I mean, I'm
Lego friends.
like we are buying this for Hiren, okay?
I thought Lego friends. My favorite Lego friends.
Tanna, where are you? Okay.
Gee, you're a vlogger now.
$19.99.
1999, yeah, okay. So this is 1999. Come here.
Hi.
दी कहाँ है? Where are you? Come. चलो अब चल रहे हैं. बिलिंग पे चलते हैं, बिलिंग पे.
Stepping inside the square.
तनिशी मूव फॉरवर्ड ना, जल्दी चलो आगे.
I'm trying to not.
रेस्क्यू.
Quit it. Quit the vlog. Quit everything.
चलें, लेट्स गो. व्हाट हैपेंड?
Why are you so angry? What happened? Moni? Her name is gonna be Moni now. Moni.
Yeah, I don't care.
Moni, hi Moni.
I'll call you. Choose what you want to.
Picture निकाल लो, today they are nice.
चलो, कम स्टैंड हियर.
Smile.
देखो ऐसे खड़े हो रहे हैं ये.
No, properly. That's better. पीछे से थोड़ा वैसा लो, सीधा करके.
We'll go now. Okay.
Sure.
So now we'll go to Poundland. Okay, Tanishi? Poundland
I
चलेंगे.
want to go with Mama.
No, stay with me.
I want to go with Mama.
Please stay with me.
I'm following Mama. I'm following.
Okay, जाओ मम्मा को फॉलो करो. अब हम जा रहे हैं एक अनदर स्टोर कॉल्ड पाउंडलैंड. वहाँ पे हर चीज़ 1 पाउंड की मिलती है. नॉट एवरीथिंग, मतलब कुछ चीज़ें मिलेंगी, कुछ चीज़ें नहीं.
That was a story. Come,
Stop it.
हाँ उतर, आई मीन है ठंडा बट नॉट दैट मच. So we have reached where? Poundland. अभी पाउंडलैंड से थोड़ी शॉपिंग करनी. क्या देख रही हो? No, you can buy something from here. What do you want to buy? You can buy crayon. You know crayon ले लेते हैं. Yesterday you were asking me. Oh, they ran out of crayon. We can go buy this crayon box. I mean this is 20 pack box, right?
Can we buy googly eyes?
No, not googly eyes. Googly eyes you already had at home. You didn't, I mean, look for that. Oh, she like cat one.
Yeah. You know why? Because I know.
Oh. कैट वाला अगर नहीं हुआ तो हम कोई और ले सकते हैं ना. इट्स नॉट दैट हमें कैट वाला लेना ही लेना है.
I'm getting this.
ओके.
So, how much would it be, Joel? More for me. Mama, more for me. And the password.
got some doll to leave.
Which one? You all are. Yes, you can have. You want to buy something? Sure. You want to buy this Kinder? You want to buy this one? Kinder Hippo biscuit?
Yes, well, I'm gonna get my very own one in
Okay.
my stash.
Okay. Which one? Take it. ले लो.
Okay. That's it.
We'll take that one.
Yep.
Okay.
This is gonna be my stash. This is gonna be my stash.
Do I need to show her?
Come. आ जाओ. We'll बिलिंग करा लेते हैं then तभी चलते हैं. Okay.
Which one looks nice?
You tell me which one you like.
I don't know, like this one looks a little nicer.
Show me. Yeah, that one looks nicer. But let me check how much is this for that for. Oh, that one is also for £1 only.
Yeah, so can I get this one instead?
Yeah, you can have this one.
I think 10 would be more than toys. And more than toys. I'll devour this at home.
Okay.
At least I can get my own snack.
Where's Mama?
Probably looking at something. Color. My thinking is not always.
You are there, okay.
Daddy, what is
अरे मेरे को यार बर्ड फूड लेना है, वो पता नहीं आया हुआ ही नहीं है, यहाँ पे मिलता है वो बड़ा वाला पैकेट होता है बर्ड फूड का, वो ग्रीन वाला आता था ना।
अभी आ नहीं रहा, वो समझ में आता है।
हाँ, नॉट दिस वन, वो बहुत बड़ा होता है, आई मीन इट्स वन वेरी बिग, या 1.5 kg का होता है अप्रोक्सीमेटली। हाँ ये है तो बर्ड सीड, बट दिस इज चिकन वन, यू नो, चिकन यूज्ड टू ईट इट, या
picture to try out this one? It looks like
हाउ मच? ये 40 पैक।
And did you see the jar?
क्यों नहीं सही?
क्वालिटी में अच्छी नहीं
Would you
लगी।
like
नहीं, पेप्को की हैं, सही होंगी, ले लो।
Everybody will like. So you just want. We got some chocolate.
अरे चॉकलेट लिए इन लोगों ने कुछ,
बैग लिया है।
अभी क्यू है यार, बहुत लंबी है तन्ना ये, देयर इज अ क्यू, यू नो।
Gee, that's a long line. Daddy, why don't we just go around and then choose one of those?
नो वी कांट गो, हम वहां से नहीं जा सकते ना, हमें यहीं पे ये क्यू फॉलो करनी है, वी नीड टू फॉलो द क्यू।
Trying to do this split. Okay, enough. You're gonna hurt yourself. I'm trying to still do this split. Ah. I'm not doing anymore.
Okay.
Just this? It's like a makeup palette. Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Where? Can I see? 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 Can I see?
तो क्या लिया है तुमने? What is that?
Say, it's Smarties.
Smarty, show me.
Not Sherry. And I have 2 packs.
कम तन्ना।
That's it.
You can take yours
Okay.
when it will come, and give one to Didi's.
I got yours.
Yummy।
Mama.
75 please।
Okay. Look better. Tanna, wait. Don't run. Arey, don't run. Listen. Okay, I will not eat. This way. Tanna, this way.
I don't get it anymore. I don't get it.
Arey, walk properly. Chalo, walk this way on the pavement. Don't go that way. I'm coming. You carry on.
Stop vlogging.
I will vlog.
Vloggy. I love vloggy. I love you, vloggy. I love you, vloggy.
I'll take the whole box.
None or some.
पाँच तनिष में से, 5 तनिशी की में से.
You can have none.
No, I will. Wait.
None.
Come this way. We have a car is here.
One to none. You don't have one to none.
I think it's that way, I think. Oh, it's there. Come. चलो वॉक इन द फ्रंट तनीशी, कम दिस वे, इट्स हियर। तो अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ एग्जॉटिक, वहाँ से ग्रॉसरीज वगैरह लेंगे, फिर वापस घर। ग्रॉसरीज वही डेली यूज़ ग्रॉसरीज। एग्जॉटिक इज़ यहाँ पे एक शॉप है जहाँ पे इंडियन ग्रॉसरी अच्छी मिलती है। I'll show you. तो हम लोग एग्जॉटिक आ चुके हैं। यहाँ से थोड़ा ग्रॉसरी वगैरह का सामान लेंगे, वेजीज, ट्रॉली ले लें एक। Can I have this trolley? Trolley. एक कैप्सिकम का बैग लेते हैं। कैप्सिकम का बैग, ग्रेप्स 1 पैक 199। need to take some tomatoes. पनीर ले लेते हैं। एक योगर्ट ले लेते हैं। योगर्ट यहाँ पे सेट नेचुरल ऑनकैन का होता है। ये दिस वन लुक्स गुड। और कुछ तो लेना नहीं है हम लोगों को। सोच रहा हूँ स्किम्ड मिल्क ले लेते हैं। व्हाट इज द डेट? इसकी तारीख 11 जनवरी, 9 जनवरी, आई थिंक 11। दिस वन लुक्स ओके। It's a long queue today. ओके देन आई विल एंड दिस ब्लॉग नाउ। अब ये ब्लॉग को यहीं पे एंड करते हैं, फिर मिलेंगे हम लोग फिर किसी टाइम में भी टुमारो। और अभी मुझे एग्जॉटिक से बिलिंग विलिंग करा के मैं घर को जाता हूँ। थोड़ा एक क्यू वगैरह भी है, तो ये बिलिंग एक बार हो जाएगी, उसके बाद आई विल गो टू होम। फिर मिलते हैं अगले ब्लॉग में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, बाय।